Hi friends, Jai Gurudev. In this video, I want to tell all of you about why we shouldn't care about evil richness of these countries of like America, Britain, Dubai, Saudi, and Malaysia. Why we shouldn't care about the false richnesses of these countries like America, Britain, Dubai, Saudi, and Malaysia. Why? Because if you carefully think about these countries, just carefully think about these countries. One country is debt country with guns and bombs and nuclear bombs. Other country is loot country. Another country is has done petrol scam by giving 10,000 crores of rupees of corrupted money to Indian politicians and made riches because of that. They just became rich by just giving 10,000s of crores of corrupted money to the Indian politicians, and they made riches because of that. Because India is just in middle between the petrol belt. If you see oil rich countries like Qatar, Saudi, and Dubai, and one side these countries and other side is Malaysia, like that. India is just middle between these countries. India is in middle to the countries like Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and to Malaysia. Even though it is in the middle of the petrol belt, it did not produce that much amount of petrol. If you carefully think about these countries, America has 20 trillion debt on them, and each person in USA, excluding children, has 50 lakhs rupees debt on them. Excluding children, each person in USA has 50 lakhs rupees debt. If you think about UK looted 900 ships of gold while leaving India. While leaving India, UK looted 900 ships of gold, and using they carried trains and ships. They carried these 900 ships of gold to their country. How they in 1930s handheld gold detector was invented in 1930s. There is a handheld gold detector. It was invented in 1930s, and using these detectors, they go to all temples, forts, and all important places in the country like India, and they detect storage of gold and all other valuable items using these metal detectors, and they just using their armies, they loot all gold, and using big ships, this gold was transported to UK through 900 ships. One single politician has 20,000 crores of rupees black money in her account in tax haven countries like Switzerland and other tax haven countries. Like that, many politicians have 10,000s of crores of rupees black money in countries like Switzerland and in other tax haven countries. How they get these large amounts of money? India is in middle of, as earlier said by me, India is in middle of oil belt to the oil rich countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Malaysia. we have a large amount of petrol reserves in the country, and still we imported trillions of dollars of worth of petrol from these countries. We made these countries rich by importing trillions of dollars of petrol from this country. This is a big scam. These foreign oil countries gave large amounts of money to Indian politicians not to dig oil from India. Like that, we lost trillions of dollars of money from India. From these things, we should hate these shameful and disgusting countries like 20 trillion debt. USA has $20 trillion debt, and each person, excluding children, have 50 lakhs rupees debt on them. Like $20 trillion debt country like USA and a looter country like UK. They just got all riches by looting India. And oil scammed countries like Saudi, Dubai and Malaysia. They gave 10,000s of crores of rupees money to these scammed politicians, and they gave 10,000s of crores of rupees worth scammed money to politicians and made them to not to dig oil in the country. Because of that, these countries became rich. So that we don't need to respect these type of countries and feel low about ourselves and feel shame about ourselves. Jai Gurudev.